Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming to you today with the winner of the Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo 2. And this was a challenge where I challenged each and every one of you to use those red clearance sticker items. Now, just for recap, I am going to go show you everything that I made during this challenge, except for one thing, which I've used it from one of my design teams, so I won't be showing that right now. But anyways, I focused on making tags. And so I am just going to show you, for recap purposes, all of the tags I was able to make for Christmas. So we have this one. I really went to town on some tags. I am just like so thrilled that I have made probably all the tags that I actually need for this year. But anyways, those are one set. I want to say that's 6 of those. And then I want to say last week I made these. 6 of those. Oh my goodness. I'm just so excited that I got so many finished. And then here goes another set for those. And here goes another set. I really went to work on some tags. I'm so excited. And then my favorite set of all, which is what I started out with, which were these two. So those are all the tags I was able to make from this challenge. And that put me so far ahead on tags for this year. I'm just so excited. All right. And now on to the winner. So before I start to select the winner, I'm going to show you everyone's name there. So I am going to speed this up while I cut everyone's names out. Okay, they're all there. We had 14 entries. I want to say there was 11 YouTube and 3 on Instagram. And I just put you in on one place each. You know, if you entered on Instagram, then it was just Instagram. And if you entered in both places, I just took the YouTube one. All right. So let's see who's the winner, and then I'll show you what you won. Okay, let's just pull one out here and see who it might be. Who is the lucky winner? Oh, Fun Creations. And that is Lady Kre. Everyone knows Lady Kre. She makes some amazing projects and products, because she does have her own business. Let me show you, Lady Kre, what you have won. And there you are. All right, that is all I have for you. That is the end of Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo. And thank you so much, everyone, for entering. And hopefully I'll be ready for the next one that'll be coming up probably like September, I guess, or something like that. So thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.